Hello and welcome to the channel. Thanks for stopping by. Great to have you here. Just a quick unboxing of a Lige watch which I featured in my AliExpress sale a little while back, in the summer sale one. I'll put a link to that video in the description or in the corner. And I thought I'd just show it. Nice Lige envelope. Don't think I've had that from, this is from the Lige Factory Direct store. So we've got nice Lige on the envelope. The model number on this watch is the LG8947. Oh, there we go. Lige box. I've seen those before. Had plenty of those. Great. My neighbour's just started up a power tool in the background. Brilliant. And here we go. Obviously, you will have seen this watch design previously with the white face. Pretty much sort of Rolex Explorer type, I believe. Fixed bezel. Cyclops. Now, I always wonder or worry on these types of watches where the bezel has painted numbers. Obviously, they're etched or filled in, stamped in and then filled with paint. Normally, this is where things look a bit ropey, but actually, that's pretty good. Yeah, it's pretty good. It's got this brushed effect onto the bezel. As you can see, there we go. Actually, that's better than I thought it would be. Yeah, I think, you know what, that's really nice. Now, Lige do good range of watches. I've done some cheaper watches on the channel before. I bought the cheapest watch on Amazon, and I've done a diver for a £5. And I think on both of them, I said, if you just pay a few more pounds and go for something like Lige, you tend to get a better quality of watch for not much more money. But then I realised I haven't actually reviewed too many Lige watches. In fact, I don't think I've done one. So I thought I'd better go. I've got a few to do, so I thought I'd better get a few Lige reviews out so people can see what I'm talking about. But yeah, this is an unboxing. Quartz watch. I think it's 43mm in diameter. Yeah, butterfly clasp at the back. Sometimes you have to be careful with these. I've struggled with these in the past, but yeah, you know what? That's really nice, that is. Yeah, I'll get the review done to this as soon as possible and get that out. I've got a couple of other Lige watches to review, and I keep saying it, but I still haven't done them. I've got so many watches to review. Yeah, I keep buying them, but I need to do some of the ones I've already got in. So I'll focus on getting a couple of Lige reviews out, including this one. So make sure you subscribe to see those, and thanks ever so much for checking out the video. Hopefully I will see you on the next one. Thanks. Bye.